Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is an alley in Macau, and actually this whole corner is so there's some foreign kebab place to the left. There's Starbucks. There's KFC. And this kind of leads into Sao Paulo ruins, basically, in this little area. And then down this way is where this alley goes. So let's see. There's lots of shops here. And more shops. Huh. Looks like a... Okay. Good shot. It's okay. So this is a little alley. I filmed in here other times too, so that one right there is like stained glass windows right there, here and here. And I'll just show you the name of this place too. So this little alley, there's a Japanese place, and then it's also called the Mouth of the Angels, which is kind of a cool name. So yeah, once you come in here, this is a little plaza and Japanese restaurant, a little plaza, and Mouth of the Angels. And I guess that might have been an old church or something, because there's those panels, and this is empty space. So, okay. Yeah, pretty cool little spot. I'll just kind of show you some of this other stuff too. So yeah, basically they have like this kind of black and white Portuguese tile all over the place. It goes all the way around the corner as well. And sun, star, okay. All right, so we're gonna walk down. The alley's kind of small, but it's pretty interesting, I think. Tiger sugar. Thanks, got a butterfly there. Sun. So, okay. Boutique. Sunglasses. So yeah, this is basically the little alley with some pretty cool Portuguese stuff. Another butterfly. So, okay. So yeah, there's the whole alley. So it goes all the way that way and then it bends that way. And then while we're here, oops, pretty common in Macau. Okay, this other alley comes right into this main street right over here too. So okay, you got another view of another side of Macau that you're able to see. So if you want to see anything in particular in Macau, just let me know, and I can take my camera down and film. And pretty much it's endless with the amount of stuff that you can see and do around here. So that's the mouth of that alley that we just went in right through there. So, okay. That's it for this one.
Chiquinha,